Alright. One of the problems I found was I had a leaky oil oil pressure sensor, or low oil pressure sensor. This oil pan looks all dirty. Hopefully you can see it with these glasses. It's located right there. I had the sensor disconnected. It takes 27 millimeter. Let's see, this one doesn't work. There we go. 27 millimeter. I'm gonna try to get this removed. And it's leaking right from the sensor itself. Okay. Let's see if I can have it removed without the extension. Very visible. The sensor. There we go. Hopefully there's no oil behind it. I have a plug that I can use in here instead of a sensor. And once the sensor is unplugged, here we go, it's coming. Yep, just a little bit of oil coming out. So something wrong with the sensor. We're squirting oil. I have a plug I can use. So I'm going to apply some Teflon tape on it. And put it in the spot. Since the sensor, here's the plug anyway. I think there's no point to the old sensor keeping it. Let's see. Yeah, doesn't look good. I'm gonna use some Teflon tape, or plumber's tape, whatever the word might be for this. These threads are very fine, so it doesn't need a lot of, maybe once or twice. Okay. $11mm barely fit on here. 7/16, so it looks like it's 11 also millimeter. So screw this back on, and hopefully this will stop the oil. Gonna have to do this by feel, blindly. But at least get it started, so. Let's see that. See that? Yeah, it looks like it's on there, but it's almost on there. I'll overtime this. So it's right there. That's where the plug is. I'm gonna start up the car real quick. This is not the safest way to jack up the car. Yeah, it looks pretty clean, so hopefully they'll solve it. It might be possible the main seal is actually also leaking, including the oil pan. At some point I might be able to pressure wash this. Looks like it needs a belt replaced. Yeah, this is probably main seal is leaking on this side. Other than that, it drives pretty well. I'll do a video on timing. I believe there's a seal that's leaking here too. Maybe figure out how to replace that seal and do a valve cover gasket at some point. This section to be removed. So the belt is really loose. Yeah, it looks like it's, based on this, looks like it's maxed out too, so. Well, thank you for watching. We'll keep plugging at this car. I had to add better oil to it, so because it does eat oil or leaks oil. Other than that, it's been very reliable daily.